So, are you ready to draw this cute rabbit with me today? It's gonna be really simple, don't worry. So, if you are a beginner or a kid or a parent who wants to teach their kid how to draw, then this video is for you. So, we are starting with a really light sketch of the rabbit. We are using really light pressure on the pencil. This way we can make some mistakes if we need to. And we are starting with the head first. Why? Because that gives us more like a base for our sketch, because then we can see everything else according to like how big the face is. Then we can draw the body according to it, so that is a good thing. So let's finish the basic sketch and then I will join you again. Alright, now that we are done with the basic sketch, we have taken a darker pencil. This is a 4B pencil I'm using. The one I used before was a 2B. You can use any lighter one as well, HB or B. So, or just a darker pencil if you don't have anything else, and just use it with a light pressure. That's it. And now we are basically outlining the rabbit. So using the guidelines we made, you can see these other lines we made before. They are really rough lines. They are not really, defined. Like where exactly. There is just rough shapes, like where the line should be around this area. But now we know that legs are this big, the tail is this big, ears are this big, and they are here in this position, in this direction. So everything is more clear to us. So it's more easy basically, and less stressful to draw like this. I always draw like this. It's really nice, and proportions are always nice. You don't have to draw 100% exactly like your reference, because that would be just, you can take a picture instead. It destroys the creative part of your drawing. So unless you are trying to get something really exactly the same, if you want to, then it's up to you. You want to do that, then you do it. But I would say, just if you are a beginner and you want to learn, then don't try to draw anything with grids and stuff. Just use your hand, your face, your your brain and muscle coordination. This way you will build a lot of muscle memory as well, where the lines go, how. Look how smoothly I draw the ears, because it comes with practice. So practice more and more, and practice nicely. It will be fun. Practice with the things you like the most, like a rabbit. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.